equals my Thermomix TM5 won't start at all. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This issue often happens due to a faulty power board or internal connections that need fixing. Fortunately, we can replace the faulty parts and get your Thermomix back up and running again. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.